Vegan chili recipe. Our healthy vegan chili recipe packs in plenty of vegetables and doesn't fall short on the flavor front. Serve it with rice or in jacket potatoes for a filling supper. Ingredients. Method. Step 1. Heat the oven to 200 C, 180 C fan, gas 6. Put the sweet potato in a roasting tin and drizzle over 1½ tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika and 1 teaspoon ground cumin. Give everything a good mix so that all the chunks are coated in spices, season with salt and pepper, then roast for 25 minutes until cooked. Step 2. Meanwhile, heat the remaining oil in a large saucepan over a medium heat. Add the onion, carrot and celery. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until soft. Then crush in the garlic and cook for 1 minute more. Add the remaining dried spices and tomato puree. Give everything a good mix and cook for 1 minute more. Step 3. Add the red pepper, chopped tomatoes and 200 milliliters water. Bring the chili to a boil, then simmer for 20 minutes. Tip in the beans and cook for another 10 minutes before adding the sweet potato. Season to taste, then serve with lime wedges, guacamole, rice and coriander. Will keep in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 3 months. To make in a slow cooker, heat the oil in a large frying pan over a medium heat. Add the onion, carrot and celery. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until soft. Then crush in the garlic. Tip in the sweet potato chunks and cook for 1 minute more. Add all the dried spices, oregano and tomato puree. Cook for 1 minute, then tip into a slow cooker. Add the red pepper and chopped tomatoes. Give everything a good stir, then cook on low for 5 hours. Stir in the beans and cook for another 30 minutes to 1 hour. Season to taste and serve with lime wedges, guacamole, rice and coriander.